shit.
Broken right now.
December 17th, 2025, Alberta, Canada. A powerful winter storm system, combining heavy snow, high winds, and freezing temperatures, has affected large parts of western and central Alberta, Manitoba, and parts of Ontario, causing highway closures, multiple crashes, school closures, and major disruption to daily life for millions of people. The severe road conditions have led to the closure of a number of highways in Alberta. The Queen Elizabeth II Highway, QEII, between Calgary and Airdrie was the site of a major pileup involving about 100 vehicles. Dozens of drivers were trapped in their vehicles for hours in the bitter winter cold. Vehicles were scattered along the highway and in ditches, with the presence of semi-trucks making it difficult for rescuers to reach them.
I'll tell ya, sure feels good to be a native Albertan today. I was just built different.
An emergency warning was issued in Alberta early Wednesday due to extremely hazardous road conditions. The warning was issued by Alberta Transportation after severe winter conditions in parts of the province made it nearly impossible for drivers to travel safely. As night fell, wind and snow eased, making highway travel relatively safer, and hazardous conditions improved in several areas. Following the improvement, Alberta Emergency Management announced the lifting of the warning.
Fucking skidded and flipped right over. Oh boy.
What is it?
Bullshit.
Several prairie provinces in eastern Alberta were hit by widespread transportation and public service disruptions as a storm system moved through the province on Thursday, with many vehicles stranded in the snow. Local authorities closed several highways due to reduced visibility and heavy snowfall. Manitoba police reported several single-vehicle crashes, including a serious crash involving multiple semi-trailers overnight, leaving one person dead and several others hospitalized. The severe winter storm has led to widespread school closures in several Canadian provinces. In Manitoba, many schools, particularly in Winnipeg, were closed on Thursday, a rare move in a city that usually stays open even during storms. To ensure the safety of students, education departments in the capital, including public and private schools, have decided to cancel classes. Similar disruptions were reported in other provinces. Schools and universities were closed due to the dangerous weather conditions, forcing many parents and students to change their daily schedules. These measures were part of the precautionary measures taken by local authorities to prevent accidents during the storm. The Environment Agency forecast westerly winds of up to 20 miles per hour along Highway 3, indicating the intensity of the storm system. Such winds were expected to cause power outages and severely reduce visibility across much of the province. Scattered power outages were reported across several locations in the province following the winter storm. Manitoba Hydro said poor road conditions, limited visibility, and the closure of many major routes were hampering the response to the outages. The utility said it was not possible to dispatch repair crews to some areas until weather conditions improved, which could lead to extended outages. Officials urged residents to exercise caution and be prepared for possible extended outages. This winter storm has once again shown how much nature can disrupt daily life in a short period of time. Officials are urging citizens to continue to follow official warnings, avoid non-essential travel, and be prepared for emergencies. Despite the gradual improvement in weather in some areas, the dangers of snow, ice, and extreme cold remain, and caution will be the most important factor in saving lives and safety.